Okay, Year 11, it's less than 24 hours until GCSE Chemistry Paper 2, so what are you doing right now? Hi, my name's Dr. De Bruin. I'm a GCSE and A-level science teacher, and I also make revision videos on YouTube. I'm assuming you've already found the hour-long summary videos that I've made on YouTube, so let's just talk about silly mistakes that we see students make every year and how you're not going to make them. First up, rates of reaction. You can't measure the rate of a reaction without timing it. So if you're writing a method, talk about how you're going to measure the volume of gas produced every 10 seconds. The word amount is banned. It doesn't mean what you think it means. So talk about the mass of a solid or the volume of a gas or a liquid. Equilibrium is just horrible, so I'm going to make another video about that. For organic chemistry, most elephants prefer bacon. Methane, ethane, propane, butane. Remember that unsaturated bonds make bromine water turn from orange to colourless. It's not clear. Please don't write clear. In fractional distillation, the crude oil is heated until it evaporates. That's only 1 mark. And then the fractions cool until they condense. That's 2 marks. Then, because there's a temperature gradient, mark number 3, the molecules separate according to their boiling point, mark number 4. For chemical analysis, please revise the paper chromatography required practical. Don't be that poor person on TikTok. The question said how many colours were in the ink, but my paper was in black and white. Pro tip, every pure substance will make a spot. So the number of spots is the number of colours in that ink. To test for hydrogen, you ignite the gas, and if it's hydrogen, it burns rapidly with a popping sound. Yes, I know we all call it the squeaky pop test, but that doesn't get you a mark. Unit 9 is the Earth's atmosphere. Early Earth had no oceans, because it was covered in volcanoes and it was really hot. So all the water that came out of those volcanoes was just in the atmosphere as water vapour. Did we mention that water vapour is a greenhouse gas? If you get a question talking about how Earth's atmosphere has changed over time, then just make sure you understand whether it's asking you about the last 200 years, in which case deforestation and burning fossil fuels. Yes, burning fossil fuels, not just using them. Or are we talking about the last billion years? Earth cooled down, oceans formed, carbon dioxide dissolved in the oceans, plankton used that carbon dioxide, their bodies became fossil fuels, their shells became sedimentary rocks. Oh, and a bunch of stuff called algae did photosynthesis. Not plants yet, they came way later. Then, for the using resources topic, you are really likely to get an evaluate question. And the last 2 marks are for a strongly justified conclusion. So if they ask you if it's better to make milk bottles out of plastic or glass, just pick one. And then back it up with some data. Actually use the numbers, like this one is 5 times heavier, which is bad because it means that transporting it is harder and uses more fossil fuels. Good luck, everyone.